Hi, today in front of me Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then click to the settings, tap to voice section and click to voice match. Here you will see to access Assistant anytime you say Hey Google you can tap to No Thanks, but we want to activate the Hey Google option, so we should click to Get Started, tap to the Next, to More, read the description, yes to yes I agree, click to Next, Not Now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. But now we should add our voice model assistant to recognize our voice. So click to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now after that, tap here to next, and when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.